Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Today I've got a 2025 F250 6.7 diesel on the hoist. I've got a DPF Back from MBRP I want to show you, but before you look at what MBRP has to offer, let's see what the factory sent us. All right, this is pretty straightforward. And I see a lot of you guys as I travel running around with stock exhaust on your late model diesels. I understand we want to stay compliant, we want to be legal, and this is what the factory sent us. So you got a front pipe, you got big hangers, you've got maybe 3.5 plus exhaust tubing, back around some shielding for the spare tire, and we've all seen the factory Ford tips with the air inlets here. But you know what? This is factory. You don't have to run factory anymore. You can still be compliant. Let's jump underneath here and we'll see what MBRP has to offer. So here's what we have. 2017 and up, right through to 2025, you got F250, F350, and F450, 6.7 diesels, one box, direct fit. So here we go. Here's the mid pipe. Now, because this is a crew cab short, this pipe comes for the longest cab and chassis configuration, so we cut it down to fit this particular one. This pipe is normally longer. In the instructions, it says what length to cut it to for your truck or your specific truck. So you can see we bolt right to the back of the DPF. Now, here's the neat part. 100% legal, conforms to everything EPA, everything state-wise, 100%. Got a mid pipe, bolts directly to the flange, stainless steel band clamps, 4-inch mandrel bend up and over, and this is our dual outlet. So let's jump back here. Now, before we get too far at the tips, I want to just show you tons of axle clearance. You can tow anything you want, you can squat this anything you want, you can off-road, all good, ready to go. Band clamps, complete, direct fit, slip joints, exiting into dual black 5-inch MBRP slash cuts. There you have it. The part number you want to look up is S6290, 6290, and that's direct from MBRP.com, or of course, you can find it at your local MBRP dealer.